Hey there everyone, welcome back again. Today we are going to look at how to create an Amazon S3 bucket. So now let's quickly search for S3, click on it, and now click on create bucket. Here you have to give a unique bucket name. No, it cannot be like something like my bucket. Let's just go with that and create that. So it won't accept. So it should be a unique name globally. The buckets are created globally and unique name should be given to each of the buckets that have been created. So that means let's go with analytics and compute. Pretty sure no one has that name. And now bucket choose. You can choose if you want to, link a bucket with that, add a bucket with that. And now here, block public access settings for this bucket. If you block this, that means no one can access that. It will not be accessed publicly. So if you want to access publicly, turn this on. If not, just leave it like that. Versioning, let's enable this. We are going to talk about what this versioning is in another video, because this video is only about creating bucket. Now leave all of this just like that. Create a bucket. Okay, now it's done. Analytics and compute. Now select that bucket. Now you can do whatever you want to do. The bucket creation has been completed. So let's upload a file into it. I'll go with I already have a file here. So I'm uploading that. Just drag and drop it. Okay, now the file has been ready. All you have to do is click upload. You can select the permissions, but we'll go with that later. Let's just upload it. Now it's done. Let's close it. Now the file has been uploaded into that particular bucket. So this bucket is an object kind of storage. If you look at EC2, we have their block storage, right? But this is an object storage. So objects can be stored in this S3, simple storage service 3. Okay. So now let's try to open this. Let's see what it is, what it has in that. You can see, hello, practicing S3. Basic example of using S3. Click me, don't click there. Okay. So now let's go back. And now here we did not grant public access. So let's look at that particular file. In a sense, here it is an object, and let's click on this object URL and see if it is accessible or not. No, it is not accessible publicly. It cannot be accessed. So let's go back here. We will edit these permissions for this particular bucket. Come here, and now block all public access. We have this here. Unblock this. Okay, now public access will be allowed. All you have to do is type confirm here. Okay, now public access, block all public access is off now. And also we have to go here and we have to create a bucket policy. So before this, let's see if we can access it or not. Okay, I click on it. Now let's see if we can actually open this or not. We still cannot access it. That means we have to create a particular policy for that. So all you have to do is go here and now edit here. We have to have a bucket policy. Add new statement. Okay, it will give you the default code here. Now you have to edit this. So here you have to give colon and all. Okay, allow, keep it like that only. And here we have to type S3 colon get object. It's case sensitive, by the way. Now again here resource would be this particular link here, this bucket ARN. Now click here and paste it. /all. Star here means all. That means your principal means allow all, and your effect allow, it allows us. And this particular object we need to get. Which object? S3 object, right? So now let's save this and check it. Boom, successfully edited bucket policy. Now you have to go for okay, let's go with objects and open this file. Let's see if it is publicly accessible or not. And now click on this. Boom, it's done. So that's how you do publicly access or block all public access for an S3 bucket. So if you like this video, like, comment and subscribe too. It will help me a lot. We are already at 100 subscribers. recently it happened. Yes, I really thought it won't happen at all. Like it will take me a lot of time for that, but you did it anyway. Thank you for whoever has subscribed. I hope this video helps you a lot. So with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, bye.